Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at a product that's recently been popping up in many online advertisements. It's called Viralona Functional Dentures. The ads claim that this product can help people restore their smile at home without needing to visit a dentist. According to the promotional information, these dentures are designed to be simple to use. The product claims to fit comfortably in your mouth, stay in place using suction, and provide a natural appearance so users can talk, eat, and smile with more confidence. At first glance, this might sound like a convenient and affordable alternative to traditional dental treatments. But an important question many people are asking is this: is Viralona Functional Dentures legit? Or could it be misleading? The official product page promotes it as an easy at-home solution that avoids expensive dental appointments. It also highlights positive customer experiences where users say they feel happier with their smile after using the product. However, it's important to look at the bigger picture. Dental experts often point out that do-it-yourself denture kits may not provide the same level of safety or accuracy as dentures made by dental professionals. Proper dentures usually require detailed measurements and adjustments to match a person's mouth structure. If a denture doesn't fit correctly, it could cause discomfort, problems while chewing, or irritation inside the mouth. Over time, a poor fit may even affect oral health. Another thing to consider is the quality of materials used in some at-home dental products. Since these items are not always regulated the same way as devices provided by dental clinics, the durability and safety standards may vary. So, what's the final verdict? While the idea of at-home dentures does exist, the marketing claims for products like Viralona may sometimes make them seem more effective or reliable than they actually are. Dentures are medical devices that normally require professional fitting to ensure comfort and safety. If you're thinking about purchasing a product like this, it's always a good idea to do careful research and, if possible, speak with a dental professional before making a decision. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor for more reviews where we analyze trending products and help you stay safe from potential online scams. Thank you.